Today, I'll show you how to add text to shapes in draw.io diagrams in Confluence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to label shapes, connectors, and add standalone text to make your diagrams clear and easy to understand. Start by opening your Confluence page and editing your draw.io diagram. Once the diagram editor opens, select the shape you want to label. The quickest way to add text is to click the shape once and simply start typing. Your text will automatically appear inside the shape and stay attached to it, even if you move the shape later. If you want to edit existing text, just double-click the shape. This opens text editing mode, allowing you to update the label, fix typos, or add more detailed information. You can also label connector lines. Double-click directly on a connector, type your text, and press enter. The label will remain attached to the connector and move with it as you adjust your diagram. To add nodes that aren't attached to any shape, double-click an empty area of the canvas. This creates a free-floating text box that you can move anywhere in the diagram, making it useful for comments or additional explanations. Once you're happy with your labels, save the diagram and publish or update your Confluence page to make your changes visible. That's all you need to know to add text to shapes in draw.io diagrams in Confluence. Thanks for watching.